Okay, for 35, we're looking at another complex fraction. So x plus h, and on bottom I get x plus h plus 1. That's one of the minor fractions. The other minor fraction is this one over here. There's a big fraction, major fraction, and an h over here. Again, just kind of looking, I know the condition is h can't be 0. We'll write that down later. But I'm going to multiply top and bottom by what's called the minor LCD. What's that going to be? X plus h plus 1 times x plus 1. And you're going to do that in top and bottom. You're not going to change this fraction at all. You're going to write an equivalent fraction with conditions that need to be met, by the way. Let's write this down. You get h, and then you get x plus h plus 1, and you get x plus 1. Now the top's a little more challenging, and what I mean by that, I'm taking this and I'm multiplying by this term and that term. Let's put that down. What are you going to get? X plus h. Now the x plus h plus 1 cancels, and you're left off with x plus 1. Then you get minus x, and what cancels there is the x plus 1, so you get x plus h plus 1. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to distribute and see what happens. Again, these problems are carefully written to work nicely. What do you get here? X squared. Let's see, plus x xh plus h. I just did this. Now let's do this over here. It's really not that bad. It's minus x squared minus xh minus x. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a simplification. So I see x squared minus x squared, that's not there. I see x, I see minus x, that's not there. I see xh minus xh, that's not there. So what am I left off with? Something pretty simple. I'm left off with h over h times x plus h plus 1 times x plus 1. Well, lo and behold, what happens? That cancels, provided h is not equal to 0. That's a condition. What do you get over here? 1. What do you get on bottom? X plus h plus 1, x plus 1. Again, the condition is h is not equal to 0. By the way, the condition that we're looking for is a condition on h, not on x at this point, and h is not 0. So I'm going to say, look at the key and see if they have that written down for you. And again, again, I can't say this enough times. You look at the key. What number are we on here? I guess we're on number, you're going to look at it, 35. Got to turn the page and look at the key now and see if they have written down. I do see the 1. I see the x plus h plus 1. I see the x plus 1. And I see they clearly said that h is not equal to 0. Thank you.